Now, for folks who are already using Atlas Martial Arts software and who are in some cases also using our AMS full service billing solutions, there are about 4 other new enhancements I think they're going to be very useful for you. Let's start at the dashboard. As you well know, again, as I described earlier, tracking attendance, tracking students' progress through your system is a critical component of our application. And you know that in order to check in order to accurately track attendance, you have to know what the student's style and program and rank are, right? So that they can be appropriately credited the right class. Now, some schools don't use that. Some schools don't use the class system and stuff like that. That's totally up to you. But if you're focused on tracking your students at the highest level, you want to make sure that every student is assigned to their style, right? That if they're doing karate, if they're doing taekwondo, if they're doing after school program, whatever the case might be, you want to make sure that they're in the right style. Well, we're helping you with that. We're giving you a notification if for some reason anyone in your system is not assigned to a style yet. And sometimes that happens, right? Sometimes it's an oversight of a staff member or whatever the case might be. So you'll see now, as you log into the dashboard, right here in the sort of on the right, anytime that there's a student who isn't assigned to a style, you're going to see a little red button here that says, hey, 2 students are not assigned to a style. And you're going to want to take a look at that and get them assigned to a style if you're using that part of the attendance tracking module. So again, we're helping you make sure that your attendance numbers are accurate and focused. So that's what that feature is for. Very useful, and just within one click, you get the list. You can call them, you can text them, you can do whatever you want to do from here and get them set up for a style. Get them assigned to a style.